Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I am going to cover up the Laravel installation. So before proceeding Laravel installation, we need to check that we have the requirement. Okay, so here PHP 7.2.5, this is the minimum version we need to have installed on our system. Okay, and another requirement is Composer. So if you don't have the Composer, then you can install the Composer using the getcomposer.org website. And to check that Composer install on your system or not, then you can go open the terminal and hit command Composer. Okay, and if you have Composer, then this will looks like this, and they are showing Composer version 1.10. Okay, so if you have Composer, then you can go ahead with the Laravel installation. So just go on the Laravel documentation, and here this is pretty cool Laravel documentation. You can find everything with the installation too in. Okay, and you can search here everything. Yes, lot of the things like database, eloquent, and security, front end, basic architecture, getting started. Okay, so everything here documented. So after you having the Composer, you can install using the Laravel installer. Okay, Composer global require Laravel installer. And the second option is you can install using the create project. Okay, so I'm going to use the create project here. So just copy this one. You need to paste this command on your terminal. So before that you need to get on the desired directory. Okay, so here I'm going to install it in desktop. So cd desktop, and on the desktop let me run this command. Okay, Composer create project dash dash perfordex and laravel and blog. Here blog will be the name of the project. And if you are installing Laravel the first time, that it will take about 5 to 10 minutes, and if you are installing the Laravel second time, then it will take approximately 1 to 10 minutes. Within 2 minutes it will install. Okay, so because it is getting all the dependencies from the cache, you can see loading from cache. So just wait for few seconds and this will install. And one more important thing I'm going to share you that if you are coming from the PHP background, then you must host your project under the htdocs. If you have the PHP environment like MAMP, XAMPP, WAMP, there's many. So there's we need to put the project in PHP docs. Okay, htdocs, sorry, htdocs. So here I have installed the Laravel directory on the desktop, and you can see the Laravel project is installed and ready to use. So here after that we need to go on the directory, so cd blog, and here we need to run the command php artisan serve. Okay, php artisan serve. With the help of php artisan, we can create our own server. Okay, and here you can see the Laravel server started and on the 8000 port. So just paste this on the browser and you can see the Laravel is running. Okay, so I think this is pretty easy one. Sometime when you not use that anything, then you think that that is so much tough, but that is not. Okay, so you let me recover this one. So before that we need the PHP version 7.2.5 for the Laravel 7 version. Okay, and we must have the Composer. Okay, with these two one we can run our Laravel project. Okay, so here you can see the Laravel project is running. So I think guys you got the point. Okay, so I'm going to close this video for now, and if you have any issue you can just comment down. Okay, so thank you guys.